Good morning guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your deck on the bar and the trucks. But first, we're gonna have some breakfast. Yee-hoo. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bindings out. Too long. The bindings are out and now we're gonna change the truck. We have 4 screws that we have to make them loose to take the truck off. So you put the Allen key and then you spin them around against the clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the truck is off and we're gonna take the wheels out and put them in a new truck. So for that we're gonna use this tool. And this is a truck, guys. Check this out. A bit broken here. A lot of grinding, as you can see here. Alright, now we're gonna put it back on. A technique that I normally use, I put the rubbers first and then I put the screws inside, so the screws will be held by the rubber so they will not fall off. Oh, like that one, you saw? Right here, there we go. And now you put it sideways and you place the truck where the screws are. There we go. And then you get the tool, the Allen, and you start screwing them up. If you can. Apparently I can't. Don't tie it up like a truck all in. Just do a little by little, like progressively. Because I'm saying that because if you screw one screw all the way in, instead of a little by little, you might bend the holes of the truck. Alright, we got 2 in. We're gonna go for another 2 right here. Alright. Okay. Now the 4 screws are in, as you can see. And now we just have to tie them up. This truck is done, we're gonna move into the next. Same procedure. Another truck out. Brand new trucks, deck time. Now we're gonna replace the deck. You need 2 tools. One goes right here and the other one here. Dun, dun. Guys, don't forget to put back the right pieces into where they belong and their position. Okay, I normally leave the top bearing on the place, and this like this. So now, the most funny part is to unwrap it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Oh yeah, you sounds great. You put the deck here. You see the kimping that came up perfect. You have to let it be a little bit down so you can take this part and put it here. And maybe I'm gonna be alright. And now it's fixed a little bit. We get the tools and we're gonna tighten it up. Woohoo! So now, same thing, we are gonna take the bar out from here. The kimping it's in, as you guys can see right now, okay? And we're gonna put the parts. Spacer first. Bearing. Another spacer. And now, this one. And now it's time to tighten it up. This is not the most comfortable place to change the board, but you know, it's okay. So the board is ready, guys. New deck, new trucks. Beautiful. Smooth. Let's see how it goes. Barefoot going on. Oh yeah! Woo!